Everybody wants to become successful in life, but very few have the patience to wait for that moment. I have someone who's very patient and is definitely going to be successful in life. I can vouch for it. Hi, Dhiren. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Dhiren, you want to become a doctor, right? What is that specific field that you want to be a doctor in?
Ma'am, I want to go to the field of oncology. Oncology is about cancer, like it's the study of cancer, and there are lots of field included in it. Like there are multiple specialized field further in cancer, like neuro-oncology and cardio-oncology. And I haven't thought about which specialty I will go into, but I know that I want to be that I want to be an oncologist.
Is there a specific reason that you decided to become an oncologist or just like that?
Actually, ma'am, some of my family members have died thanks to cancer, and so I want to help other people survive from cancer. So I want to find out some effective treatment for cancer.
That's a great thought. So, when you decided कि आपको doctor बनना है, and can you tell me the moment you decided कि Akash Byju's is going to help me on this journey?
Actually, I have been enrolled into Akash since 8th standard, and initially it was just like I wanted to know more about things. And when I went to Akash, I saw, yes, this is definitely going to help me in my dreams. It is definitely going to help me to fulfill my dreams. So I decided that yes, I will follow them, and I did. And then I enrolled in Akash for 9th standard, 10th standard, and 11th and 12th standard.
So, did you find the difference studying on your own but getting a help from somebody, Akash Byju's help? How did it change the whole process of studying?
Well, they guided me. Like there is a lot to study. There are lots of books and lots of teachers, but the teachers of Akash guided me the right way. Like what should I study, how much should I study, and how should I study. If I am facing some problem in my study, like I have some doubts, they would help me clear them. And this one thing was very good about Akash. Their doubt solving sessions were very intensive and really very helpful.
Okay. So, when you're not studying and you want to relax and unwind, what's your strategy to take that break?
I would play anything. Like I'm a chess player. I can play carom, ludo, and Othello too. And I play lots of games. Like I can swim. I can play. I know a bit of table tennis, though I'm not very good at it. And I can play football as well.
So, mix of both. थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई, थोड़ा सा recreational activities. You have the right balance, right? Very nice. And is there any tip to all the students, who will be appearing for their NEET exam very soon? So do you have any advice? जो गलती आपने की शायद वो repeat ना करें, उसके लिए कुछ advice या tip?
Yes, I would like to advise one thing. About 16 lakh people give the NEET exam, and a lot of them tend to demotivate during their journey. And that shouldn't be the case. There is no room for demotivation at this stage. Like you have decided to be a doctor, so you should be one. Like being demotivated won't help. Instead, you should work on how you can become a doctor. Like okay, I failed today's test, so what's next? Instead of getting demotivated, think of how can you do better on the next test. And Akash provides lots of good teachers, so go to them, explain them your problem, and I bet they will help you.
Exactly, helping is the key. So अकेले सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो एक right guidance और help की ज़रूरत हर किसी को पड़ती ही है, और धीरेन की life में वो right guidance provide की आकाश बायजूस ने. If you are also looking for that right kind of support and help, जो शायद आपको parents से मिल चुका है, friend से मिल चुका है, लेकिन एक लक्ष्य अगर आपको अपनी life में चाहिए, तो उसके लिए you can definitely visit akash.ac.in.